Привет.
Hello everybody.
У нас обзор клюшек.
We have a review of hooks, Locksmith's
Здесь каждая
numbered
клюшка
hooks.
пронумерована
Here each hook is numbered.
до 8
Here from
номера.
the first to the 8th number. It is very convenient to distinguish which is
Самые
which.
ходовые номера это
The most popular
первый,
numbers
третий,
are the first, third
пятый.
and fifth numbers.
Вот. Ну, второй и четвертый.
Well, the second and fourth are in the opposite direction.
Сейчас попробую открыть.
Now I'll try to open the abyss.
Кстати, клюшки
By the way, the hooks
обточенные по кругу.
are sharpened in a circle. That is, the entire shaft has no corners. It's sharpened over and therefore it is very convenient in the lock. For the abyss lock with exactly this profile, there is currently no impression tool with foil. At least it does not work well. Therefore, hooks for this lock will come in handy.
Пригодятся. Вот замок вскрыт.
Well, the lock is opened. It does not take much time. The price of this set you can find on our website. The link is under this video. Bye.
Все будет на видео.